Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode we're going to do some sanding on this Skyline's front bumper and we'll have a quick look at the twin turbo Forester. Stay tuned. Alright guys, I am struggling to sand this back, this plastic body filler. So we're going to hit it with the DA with some 240 grit on there. I've used some 600 and it's taken forever. So it's smooth enough. The previous one that I've used that did all the little piggy tails, you can see them now. I believe they were 120, so it should be okay. Alright guys, done a bit of sanding, mostly this side. Fit this pretty good, nice and smooth. It's filled up the scratches there, and don't think I've got any piggy tails. I was starting to do it, so I'll rip that one off. So 2 down out of 10. So yeah. I don't think I'll do any more tonight. It's about 10 o'clock now. I'll come back at it another day. Let's go have a look at what's going on with the twin turbo Forester. Alright guys, I'm back. It's the next day. I don't think I'm going to do any more on the bumper for this episode, but I will do more tonight. So let's go look at the Forester. Alright. So boys, I think I might get rid of the GT35 and just run stock location and worry about the tuning aspect of it and see how everything goes there, and if it's all good then we'll just slap that back on, because nothing else needs to change. That just comes off. I blocked the oil, change up the oil drain so it'll just be the single one going in. So if that's all good, then we'll just make another one into the sump for the GT35. And boost control would have to go obviously to this one instead of that one. And other than that, nothing needs to change. It's going to look a lot neater. And we could possibly do a manual swap. Anyway, I'm going to see if I have stock location exhaust, or I could make one up that just goes from there to there. So I'm going to go up to the garden shed where I have all the exhaust stuff and see if I have a Subaru exhaust flange. Yes, I do have a Subaru exhaust flange. Sick. Alright, we're going to do that. Right, hopefully this 3-inch V-band is the correct one, like female. I can't remember. But yeah. Sick. Alright. Right, so all I have to do is that one down there needs to get taken out. I need to get the TD05 off too. Actually, because I need to do the oil drain. Great. Ah, and also the intake. Hey guys. Hey. How you doing? Yeah, so the intake will go through here. So we'll sort that out. Alright, so with the oil drain on the GT35, it's just going to be a 90-degree AN fitting, and that'll go onto the back side of, or the bottom side of the turbo, and that's done. Easy. And I still need to get my hand on an EJ25 sump tube, oh sorry, dipstick tube and dipstick. Alright. Alright, I'll get the Forester in now. Hopefully this fixes lots of problems. It'll only be maybe the next episode after this, and that should be all done, and we can get back onto painting. Smoky. Alright, let's get her in. Well, alright, so it's heated up a little bit, so we'll wait for that. Oh, also the water will go down obviously into the TD05 instead of up here, so hopefully we can get rid of some air bubbles. Apparently that TD05 20G is rated to 420 horsepower, so that's all I'm after. It's 400, so yeah, let's see how we go. Don't need to change anything with the TD05 really, so fingers crossed this works, and alleviates obviously power surge, the turbo. So yeah, come back a little bit later and start tearing into it, but that'll be next episode, guys. So guys, a bit of a short one, so we are getting rid of the GT35 for now, just to get the tuning part done and see how everything's going. If it's pretty much the TD05 that's stopping the boost coming up because it's a restriction, or it's just the whole system that's not working. I really want to drive it. I've been seeing quite a few more of these SF5s on the road and I'm missing it. I just want to drive it. It's got a lot of work done to it. There's no reason why that TD05 won't light up and go pretty good. Pretty much the fuel system's good for 600 horsepower. Except I haven't done lines from here back to the fuel tank. So E85 is out of the question at the moment until I can run lines up to here. But pump is E85 good, injectors are E85 good, and all lines to this area are good for E85. But we also have flex fuel sensor, so we can do that. Yeah, she can rip, but I think I'm restricting some airflow by doing the compound system. So next time, guys, we'll rip into this. It'll be a quick one on it. Hopefully I can get it done in a couple of days and see how she drives, and then we'll get back into painting the skyline and hopefully getting that up for sale shortly, hopefully within the next month. Anyways, guys, if you enjoyed this episode, give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next episode when we tear this thing apart again. Thanks for watching. Bye.